Yo, D Smoke.
Yeah.
Man, why don't you represent the wood one time? Could you please?
Super good smell. I got these other niggas in quite a deal of a pickup. Cause they bitch won't need to pour champagne, drip off the nipples. Get off, kick off the party, lift up and piss off the people who kiss up to the establishment. How did you see that? I used to do this shit cause I loved it, busted for freedom. I still do this shit for the love, but add another zero. A hero in my city, I'm Diddy mixed with Rico. Strong, I throw this dick at my lady like it's a free throw. Long time, me love your design, like you can struggle with porn rhymes. I know I grind, these motherfuckers ain't never seen nothing like me.
Where your roots from? Smokey talking that shit, nigga, where you from? We can do some. Won't keep talking that shit, you just like move some. Apply it. Pressure. 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 Apply it. Pressure. 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 Pressure.
And it goes a little something like this.
Cause my period is I used to drive a Chevy with 20s on the belly. My nigga was a shit, but then that stupid nigga left me. And now I'm loving Larry, but Larry go with Terry. And Terry is a freak, but it's his baby, she will carry. The life he is a fairy, cartoon like Tom and Jerry. My flow is legendary, and his style is temporary. Yeah, you need to worry, and Jason is scary. The words that I speak don't fit in the category.
Super Gol!